everyone, welcome to my channel Life Science with Nivedita. So before starting this session, I would like to say to subscribe to my channel because I have uploaded the videos which is related to entrance exams and PhD entrance exams which is related to life science, and also some career options videos as well as lecture videos which is related to health science and life sciences. So make sure to subscribe and don't forget to tap on the bell icon because whenever I uploaded the videos, you'll get a notification. Okay. So without any further delay, let's get started. So when come to this video is specially for the students who have completed their PUC and searching for undergraduate courses. Because once they completed their PUC, there are many questions, right? Like which courses to select, which is best, which is, which will build the best career, which is give the best opportunity for jobs, right? Many things are there in their mind. And whenever they go for suggestions, some people are suggest some courses and some people are said like no, there is no scope in that, don't took that, like that, right? So that's why you have to select your favorable stream, and also which will gives opportunity in your future. So you have to select that stream because you can't regret in your future, because many of my students I saw, they'll select one course and after 1 year they lost interest in that, they left that and just join other course. So why you waste simply years, right? So you can't do like that. You don't waste your years like this. So that's why select your stream which is favor to you, and also which is gives a best opportunity in your future, which will helps to build your career in a very beautiful way, right? So that's why you have to select in a very special manner. So, okay, I will provide the list of courses which is coming under life science, health science, and also agriculture science. Okay, so now started. So the common BSc courses. So what are the common BSc courses? That is PCM, PMCS, CBZ, right? So these three courses we can see in almost all colleges, like physics, chemistry, mathematics, and physics, mathematics, computer science, chemistry, botany, zoology, right? So these three are common BSc courses. And apart from these three things, there are many BSc courses are there which will coming under life science. But the only thing is the students will not aware about that, right? So they just go for the college. They used to ask the courses and all. So whatever they got, they simply admitted. But they feel regret in the future. So why should I select this course? Why should I not select that course? Should not think like that. We have to search. We have to search for the college. You have to search for the courses which is your favor, which is your favorable field. Okay. So let's start. What are the other courses are there rather than these common basic courses? Okay. So see here, this is the life science courses list. That is chemistry, botany, zoology, biotechnology, biochemistry, microbiology, food science, bioinformatics, biostatistics, genetics, cell biology, immunology, animal tissue culture, genetic engineering, advanced zoology, advanced plant biology, developmental biology, and physiology. See, there are plenty of courses are there. They're somehow like given the in the combination like CBZ, right? So in the same way, like BTBZ, which is a combination with biotech, zoology, botany, and BTCZ, which is combination with biotechnology, chemistry, zoology. Like this, they have to combine three subjects. And in some cases, they for BSc itself, particular one course also there. You have to search for a particular college which will offer that course. Okay, so when come to the chemistry, chemical science, when come to the botany, which is related to plants, when come to the zoology, which is related to animals, and this biotechnology is about recombinant DNA technology, and which is for techniques for very techniques in the field of biological science. All these things are coming under this. Then coming to the biochemistry, which is related to metabolism, things which are happening inside our cell, right? And also microbiology about the pathological microorganisms which will cause deadly diseases. And in nowadays, when come to the COVID case, when come to the COVID season, this microbiology, this our life science plays a very important role. Okay, and also when come to the food science, that is about the food, and on bioinformatics, which is about the data collection in the biological science, biostatistics, which is about the problem solving in the biological science, genetics, cell biology, immunology, which is related to immunity, that is antibodies, antigens, and all, and tissue culture, genetic engineering. We have to recombine the gene and to produce new thing, new gene cloning, right? Then also advanced zoology, advanced plant biology, developmental biology, that is like embryo development, the chick development, the baby development, each and everything, right? So these all are the courses which is coming under life sciences. Okay, so now move on to the health sciences. So this is very, very important because nowadays health sciences courses are in high, right? It's very in the peak. So what are the courses offered? Let us see. MBBS, BDS, that is dental, and BAMS, Ayurveda, and BHMS, that is homeopathy, and BNYS, that is naturopathy and yoga sciences, and BUMS, that is Unani, and BSc nursing, BPT, that is physiotherapy, and B Pharma, that is pharmacy, right? So see, many courses are there. If you're, sometimes students will like are not getting into MBBS and something like somehow like depressed. See, if you're not getting MBBS, means there are other options are there. Still many options are there. See, dental, Ayurveda, homeopathy, naturopathy and yoga sciences, Unani, BSc nursing. See, BSc nursing is a best course, and also physiotherapy, B Pharma, pharmacy. See, many courses are there. You have to search. Okay. So and also apart from these health science courses, some allied courses are there. So let us see what are those. See, these all are allied health courses. These allied health courses are which is related to which is help for your jobs. Okay. So see what are the allied BSc courses are there. Allied health sciences, that is anesthesia technology, anesthesia and operation theater technology, cardiac care technology, imaging technology that is related to radiology, and also renal dialysis technology, neuroscience technology, optometry which is related to eye, and also emergency and trauma care technology, medical laboratory technology for lab technician, that thing, and also radiotherapy technology which is related to the cancer treatment, and perfusion technology which is related to lung thing, okay, the lungs and also respiratory thing, and respiratory care technology, and bachelor's in hospital administration about the administration of hospital, and also bachelor's in public health, and bachelor's in audiology and speech along with pathology, that is speech and hearing course. See, plenty of courses are there. If you're not getting into the medical, if you're not getting into the engineering, see, these all are job oriented courses. See, there are many hospitals are there when come to the each district, each states, plenty of hospitals, whatever it may be, you get a job, right? So this is very important. It's a job oriented courses. Once you completed this course, somehow in way any hospital, anything, any health science related to any health science related industries and all, you get a job. See what are there are many courses are there. Okay, so you have to search, and you have to search for your favorite thing, your interested area, and get admission. Okay, so now apart from this, some agriculture courses as well, including into the BSc. So what are those? Let us see. See, these all are the agricultural courses, that is we can say it as a BSc AG, right? So what are those? Horticulture, sericulture, that is it is related to silk, and also apiculture, that is related to bee culturing, and forestry, agronomy, floriculture, that is flowers culture, and also agriculture economics, plant breeding, agriculture genetics, soil science, which will for soil erosion and all to increase the fertility in the soil. So that thing, and agriculture entomology, which is related to insects, and weed science, agriculture engineering, ornamental horticulture, that is flowers and all, and landscaping, which is reduced to prevent the soil erosion, and plant biotechnology, that is recombinant technology which is included in the plant to produce new gene, to produce new variant. Okay, and also biochemistry, that is plant biochemistry, which will understanding the cell, inside the cell, what are the things happening in all. So that is plant biochemistry, and commercial horticulture, plant nutrition, crop physiology, agroforestry, organic farming. See, that is which is by getting the natural farming, by by adding the natural things itself, we can farming. So like this, see, these all are the agriculture BSc courses. These all are the agriculture BSc courses. See, what there are many options are there. So why you stick on just for one or two courses and all, and in the future you just regret like why should I select this course? Why should I not go that course? So you can't regret in the future. So you have to select your favorable one. You have to select which is best for you. Okay, because it is somehow related to your future. It is about your career. You have to do not waste your year. You cannot waste your simply because each year is very important, right? So if it is related to higher education, it's related to your career. So select the best thing and go for it. Okay. So this is about this BSc courses list. Apart from these things, still many courses are there, because some colleges are offered still many courses, still still some specification courses also there. You have to search in the specific colleges, specific courses, then only get admission. Okay. So I think it will help, it will give you some sort of information and all. So thank you so much for watching, and subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button. So until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much.